Hello. In this video, I'm going to share with you how to find any business owner email address for free. So, if you're looking for contact list with verified email address, so this video is for you. So follow me till then. So here you can see we already have collected all the information which is publicly available on LinkedIn. So basically, I use LinkedIn Sales Navigator. So you can see I already did a filter here, and then I collected all the information for making this video. Now we need to install the Chrome extension called name to email. So just simply add your Chrome browser, and then we need to copy first and last name and just put here. You need to make sure that you are not putting any space, just one space, and then write down the at the rate, and we need to copy the domain. So let's just put here. There we go. So you can see the email address. So it's quite easy, right? So let's just verify that whether it's valid or not. So yeah, it's valid. So I've been using zero bounds. It's been almost 6 7 years. So yeah, pretty much their accuracy is quite good rather than any other email verification tools. So let's just do another and see how it goes. So copy first and last name, and then do. So you need to put the website domain. All right. So let us put here. Sometimes you may notice some error, so you need to reload the page. So don't worry. So here you can see our email is here, right? So let us copy and verify. Uh, let us put here. Yeah, it's valid. So let's just. And the third one, let's just copy and put here. Okay. All right. So it's taking a bit. All right. We got the email address. So let's just verify. It's valid. So yeah, this is the easiest way you can get the email address. Oh, it's the first one. So let's just. Mm, let's just. All right. There you go. See how easy it is to get any business owner valid email address. So running an email campaign, or running a cold email campaign, or email marketing and running business, it's quite challenging. And if you have a solid sales pipeline and your pipeline is clean and your data is accurate, then it's a high chance that you will go far away, right? So I hope you like this video, and so this is the process you can follow to find any business owner email address. So first of all, you get the contact information. So you can get contact from LinkedIn, Google Map, and there are many way you can get contact information. And then later on, you can simply use this process and get the contact information, email address valid. So thank you, thanks for watching, and if you like this video, do subscribe. And we are agency. We do help businesses to get highly targeted prospect. So let me know if you know, or if you need any, or if you need our help or assistance. So we'll be happy to connect. Thanks for watching.